Before you throw that thermostat at a vehicle with low heater performance, I've got 4 things you need to consider before you replace the thermostat. Next.
This video is sponsored by Auto Value and Bumper to Bumper. Visit us online for more information.
Before you put that thermostat in a vehicle, here are 4 things you need to check out before you replace the thermostat. Number 1, coolant level. If there's no coolant in the heater core, it can't transfer heat from the engine to inside the cabin. Next, the heater core itself could be clogged. Heater cores have very fine passages. If they clog, it's no longer transferring heat. The key to diagnosing this is to check the temperature of the inlet and the temperature of the outlet. If the temperatures are very similar, it's not transferring heat. Next, consider the cabin air filter and the ducting to the interior of the vehicle. If it's clogged, you're going to need to replace that filter because if there's no air passing over it, it's not transferring heat. Next, look at a scan tool. The doors inside the modern HVAC system are designed to channel the air where it should be and where it shouldn't be. If it's not functioning properly, you need to check on a scan tool to confirm the position. So there are 4 tips. Make sure it has coolant, make sure the heater core is not clogged, and make sure the cabin air filter is clean. Also, confirm with the scan tool the position of the doors inside the system. If you check these things before you throw a thermostat in it, you're going to confirm the problem and solve it the first time. I'm Andrew Markel. Thank you very much.